Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Meet Sarfraz channel. I am Sarfraz Ali. In this video, we're diving into the world of professional medical licenses, including ASCP, DHA, HAD, MOH, HSCP, and many more. If you're considering working abroad or seeking international recognition for your medical skills, you're in the right place. If you're passionate about advancing your medical career globally and want to learn more about these licenses and certifications, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Don't miss out on valuable insights and updates. Thank you for tuning in today. Remember to subscribe for more informative content, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay informed, stay inspired. Goodbye for now.